You searched how to buy shares of Spineguard SA. Spineguard is a French medical technology company that makes surgical devices for spine procedures, listed on Euronext under the ticker ALSGD.PA. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before buying. On the platform, use the search bar and enter the ticker ALSGD.PA to locate the Spineguard SA listing. Select the matching result to open the asset page. On the Spineguard asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct stock. Check that the ticker ALSGD.PA and the Euronext listing match. Click Buy or Trade, enter the amount or number of shares you want, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as pending, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient before confirmation. After purchase, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same process.